Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to yet another video. So today's video is not gonna be very long. I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want to take forever. But pretty much as you see down below, I want to come on camera. I ordered some customized poly mailers. And I want to do it on camera because it was something that I struggled with finding. I've always used poly mailers to ship my items, but I want to know where I could get customized poly mailers. Like I've seen other boutiques and brands and stuff send out like customized poly mailers, and I was like, I want that. That looks professional, you know, and it helps market my brand. And I'm at that point in my business to where I am really going in on like branding and marketing. So I want to come do it on camera because again, it was something I struggle with. So I'm sure there's other ladies or bosses or people in general that are out there that have businesses that want to know, where do I get these customized poly mailers? How much do they cost? Is it good quality? All that stuff. So I'm gonna cover all that in this video. Now the company that I chose to go through, or that I found, was a US based company, and that was also something that I was looking for, just because right now with all the pandemic and all that, I know shipping is already a mess, but trying to ship from overseas, it's just a mess. I've been reading people's comments in this group I'm in about how shipping cost and the shipping time from overseas. So just to put it out there, yes, you can use international base or Chinese base, wherever you want to get your custom poly mailers from overseas. Just right now with everything that's going on, do expect an increase in shipping time and shipping costs. So nevertheless, I found a US based company. The company, some of you have heard of it, some of you have not. It's called Sticker Mule. And so they have sent my package with my poly mailers. So I'm gonna go over a couple things with them before I open this. I like this company thus far. One reason is you can look at this, it's not a very big package. This company allows you to do samples, which I like. Of course, you still have to pay for the samples, but it's not much at all. I ordered 10 poly mailers. And it cost me $9. So not bad at all. And the good thing I like about them is they're very good on customer service and keeping you in, keeping up with communication in regards to your design. So pretty much all you do is go on their website. You go they have a bunch of stuff too. So before you can get on, there's like stickers, there's buttons, all kind of stuff, but there is a tab that says shipping. If I can get it to get on the screen, I'll put it up here. I don't know if I know how to do that or not. So if it's not up there by the time I post this, I didn't figure it out. But nevertheless, you go on the website, you click on where it says shipping, and it'll bring up like all the different categories for shipping. They have customized tape you can get. They do sell regular poly mailers, so if you are looking for a place to get regular poly mailers, you can definitely check them out. Honestly, if you are looking for regular poly mailers, if you haven't figured that out yet, just go to Amazon. But nevertheless, they do sell regular poly mailers there, and they have a place where you can do customized poly mailers. So once you do your customized poly mailers, all you do is simply pick the size. There's 2 different sizes. I honestly don't remember the sizes. I'll put them on the screen if I remember. But you pick the size, you pick the quantity. You can do a customized quantity, or I think the lowest you can do, I don't know the lowest you can do, but you can do a customized quantity, and then you upload your logo. It's really simple. You upload your logo, and then they tell you they'll get back to you usually within the same day, and that way that you can approve of the design. So I simply uploaded my document, and they emailed me, showed me what it looked like, and then you just have to approve it. If you approve it, they start the printing process. Really simple, really easy. I loved it. So we're at the point of where I got it. Now shipping did take a little bit longer than usual, which right now I'm really not complaining about anybody's shipping times, because I too, as a business owner, understand how the shipping goes. So shipping took a little longer than I wanted to, but again, due to the circumstances we're in, it was cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Again, this is what it comes in, and we're gonna see how they came out in person. So with my once I got the email to approve my design, I liked it right away. You can put a note in there, like if you want to tell them anything. The only thing I put in mind was to make sure that the logo was proportioned right, because I've used, like when I got my hang tags the first time I did them, not through Sticker Mail, but they're a different company, they completely like jacked up the size. I'm like, you couldn't see with your eye, like make it proportion. Like, don't have my logo this big on a piece of paper that's this big. So I just told them to make sure it's proportioned. So nevertheless, here is my package. Oh, this looks like more than 10. Oh, they gave me more than 10. I'm so happy. Oh, there's some stuff in here before I pull them out. So the things they give you is little stickers, and like I said, they do stickers as well. So I guess it's just a way of showing you like how they do stickers. What is this? Oh, this is like a it's a thank you for your order. It looks like a coaster or something, but nevertheless, everything is good quality. The colors look really good on their stickers. Again, if you want to customize stickers, you can do that. So this is what my order looks like. I think no invoice. I guess it's on my phone. So they did give me more than 10. That is definitely more than 10. This is the smaller size, and I love it. So this is what my bags look like. And if you guys don't know, my business is called House of Inspo Boutique. I'll put it across the screen. Go check it out. But this is what it is. This is the smaller size, and I'll put it on the camera as well. But this is what it looks like, and I'm so happy because it's nice and clean. I'm very minimalist with my business. Like, I like it very simple, very clean. So this is my logo. It looks super cute. And again, this is just the sample. So, oh yeah, it's proportioned perfectly. So if I fold this and put it and send it, it's gonna look like this. So once this is stuffed, it'll be super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The color is like really good. The quality is really good. It's sturdy, so it's not gonna rip or anything like this. Like I said, this is the smaller size that I got. The only thing is I did do a sample, and this is probably just because of my own, I should have done this before, but I'm glad I got it as a sample, and I'm glad they gave me more than 10, which I'm really happy because that means the orders that I have like coming in now, I have at least have some polymailers to send them in while I wait for the new ones, because now I'm going to go back and order more because I am very satisfied with my polymailers. So I'm so happy. So the only thing I will probably do, and there's nothing wrong with something they did, it's just to my own liking, is I'll probably go back in and put my website at the bottom, just because for a marketing technique. If people do see the package for while they're delivering it, or somebody, whatever the case may be, or they throw it away or something, I don't know, but at least the website will be at the bottom to where people will be able to go to the website, just to drive traffic if anybody comes across the polymailer. So yeah, so these are what they look like. Like I said, they sent me like, looks like they sent me like 20 or 30 of them, like 25 of these things, I don't know, but it's more than 10. So again, they do a sample, 10 for $9, so they might give you more than 10, I don't know, but they say 10 for $9. And so what I've done is I've put a link down below. They also have a promotion. If you click my link down below, then you get $10 off. Now, I did get that from somebody else, and the $10 off did not go towards the sample. So do know that, but if you decide to go ahead and make an actual purchase of something outside of just a sample, you can use your $10 off of your purchase. You get $10, I get $10. So definitely click the link down below if you are interested. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty simple. I just want to show you guys, if you're looking for customized polymailers within the US, it's a great company to look into. I know there's other ones that you can look into thus far, but I'm satisfied. I love the way of how everything was structured, how it went through, customer service, everything. So this is probably the company that I'll be sticking with, and prices are pretty reasonable. They're within my budget. So yeah, nevertheless, again, the company is called 𝗪𝘃𝗄. If you have any questions below, definitely hit me up down below. But if not, if you want to use the business, definitely click the link down below. That way we both get $10 to go towards our next purchase. Okay, until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.